Yeah, indica sound, testing. Big on the roots, rocks, reggae, dub style.